What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you a new way on how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. Now this is a very easy tutorial. A lot of people make this very complicated, and I'm going to make this as easy as possible. So what you need to do, guys, you just need to go to your phone and open the Sweatcoin app inside your phone. I'm going to open it inside my laptop, but like I said, the same process for both devices, the same settings, the same thing. So to withdraw to PayPal, guys, first you need to understand one thing, which is you need to you need to get the affiliate link, and you need to invite a lot of people. For example, if you invite a friend, you will get 5 Sweatcoin. Now you will need to invite at least 20 people so that you will be able to withdraw the money to PayPal directly. Now if you click on the profile in the top right, and you want to click settings, click on help, click on other common. If you click, guys, on PayPal, you will find here, please note, as you can see, for example, it says here PayPal and Amazon are features regularly, especially if you are inviting lots of friends. So that's exactly what I said. You just need to you need to invite a lot of friends so that you will be able, guys, to withdraw to PayPal. Now, if you don't want to invite a lot of friends, you want to withdraw your money in an easy way, then you can buy things using your money. If you click here on this store, as you can see, you can find the products that cost the same amount of money that you have on your balance. And you can also do good things with your money. You can donate them to people who need them. For example, it says here Sweatcoin for good. You can click on here and you can then donate this money to kids who need it, or people who need it in general. As you can see, you can just donate this money to these people. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.